And as artificial intelligence becomes a bigger part of our lives, two recent court cases could have you thinking twice about using it. Our Gabe Pro joins us in studio this morning to break this down and the legal impacts it could have. Good morning, Gabe.
Yeah, good morning. If you're involved in a court case or legal matters right now, you may want to think twice about putting your legal questions into AI. A recent case in the Southern District of New York ruled that communications with AI can be used in court when proper safeguards are not used, such as if the terms of service don't guarantee privacy, or if someone is not directed to use AI by their legal counsel. However, a different federal case in Michigan ruled that when a party used AI as part of their litigation workflow and the information involved the plaintiff's thought process, the information should be protected. Legal experts say these cases may seem contradictory, but the decisions reflect and use existing legal principles and are consistent with the law. But these complications, and of course the increased use of AI, could have impacts on the court system.
So it could really cause judges and the whole court system to work more than they already are. And it's not sustainable for our court system in Iowa or any court system in the United States, because it takes so much effort and time to dig through any type of case.
Coe, who you just heard from there, is an ethics lawyer with Denton's law firm, and he says he would advise clients to avoid AI use unless directed to do so by their legal counsel. And if you wish to use AI to assist when representing yourself, familiarize yourself with the law and standards that lawyers are held to. But it is possible if you're self-representing, some of that communication actually would be protected. So some complicated stuff here, and of course, continues to evolve as AI becomes more and more a part of daily life.
Yes, it's a lot to think about, but can be a helpful tool when used appropriately. So just have to see how it changes with time.